All right, we got the opening bell here on this Monday morning. That's a normal amount of books.
There's a ton of books. Got a lot of books. I think it was on the history of the auto industry. I think that his first book is on the Model T and Henry Ford.
Yes, we talked to a lot of people who talked to us from in front of bookshelves.
A lot of books.
I don't know.
Cool.
Okay. Anyway, there's the opening bell on this Monday morning here. P10 ringing the opening bell. I guess it had its listing a year ago.
Is that an exercise company? P10?
No, apparently it's a private market solutions provider. I hadn't heard
Close,
it
close.
either. I hadn't heard. It does sound like a workout company, but it is not. All right, Brad Smith, as we see a downdraft here to start off the week, what are you seeing?
Yeah, P10 is actually a spinoff of Tony Perkis's exercise regimen there. All right, we're going to take a look at the major averages here. What, heavyweights? Nobody's watched the movie? All right, taking a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average right now. It's lower by about 0.6% out of the gate here. NASDAQ Composite lower by about 0.6% as well here. And then the S&P 500, let me give you a chart view of just how we're looking over the past. We'll give you 5 days. Why not? Just to give you some of the activity that we'd seen last week, of course, on some of the Fed commentary, but then later on, you saw on Friday that move lower, and that coming off of the jobs data that came out in the monthly jobs report. But ultimately, here over the past 5 days, still holding on to some net gains of about 2% here. Also checking in on some of the sector activity out of the gate this morning. We've got the 11 S&P 500 sectors largely in negative territory right now. Energy, you're seeing that higher by about 1.25%. No doubt a lot of movement in the energy sector off of the OPEC news that we've been tracking, but ultimately the sector's still down by about 0.7%. It's consumer discretionary that's actually bringing up the caboose on the day. Right now it's down by about 1.4%. We've also got some negative movement in the way of real estate, and then as well, it looks like we've got some staples in negative territory too by about 1.2%. Julie?
All right, thanks, Brad. And